welcome back to Moonstone Crafts, and welcome to another post review Sunday. I'm just gonna call it that now, for now. Until we're done, because I haven't anything finished anymore, but we'll see. For now, it's still post review Sunday. Today I have for you guys a special drill project. I was sitting in my room at night, let me see, January 4th, and I was like, I don't want to take my big diamond art club with me upstairs, because it's not easy to do in my bed, and then I didn't want to do my custom of my dog from Evermoment because I didn't have the relaxing setup right then. So I decided, let's start this a little partial. I decided to go for the one which was the easiest. I thought that I maybe could have finished in one night. I actually didn't. If you saw my Whip and Chat 1 hour challenge, the challenge from Miss Coffee, you may have seen me give a little sneak peek on this one when it wasn't finished yet, because I was still doing it. So as I was saying, I started this one on January 4th of 2021. Don't forget the one right now. And I finished it on January 16th, 2021. But I didn't work on it all the time. I worked on it the first day for 2 hours and 15 minutes. So the first night on the 4th of January. 2 hours and 15 minutes. And then the 16th of January I decided to finish it, because I was like, let's finish this piece. So, you know, I can put the drills away and everything. So on the 16th of January I spent a total of 15 minutes to finish this piece. So it could have all been in one night. It became too late. I needed to sleep because I'd work the next day. And that's what happened here. I finished it the next time that I got to it in 15 minutes. So it wasn't a lot of work. In total that was 2 hours and 30 minutes, which I think might be a record for me for such a project. This is actually from Fansells. I bought it in my bigger Fansells haul where I got a lot of special drill projects. This was one of them. It's a 30 by 30, well, the canvas is at least. It was like €3.31. And it had 10 colors in total. I did have enough of all the drills, so that was nice. I think it looks stunning. Yeah, it was a good little project. I enjoyed it. As I was saying, I hoped I could finish it in one night. I could have maybe, but I had to sleep, so I finished it later on, but it's okay. I think it looks good. I'm gonna give you a quick overview or close-up of the project, and then we'll get to the drills. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. Let's do a little bit of this as well. I forgot about that. You can see a bit of the sparkle. But it's really sparkly. And it's pretty. Let's get to the drills. I had enough of everything. There you go. So I have enough left to maybe use in the future. The orange one, or brownish yellow. And I haven't actually kept trash for this project. So I don't have any trash to get rid of. So that's different. I'm just gonna store these away like I have them right now. If I have the color already, I might put them together. So we spare some baggies, but for the rest they can just go straight into the storage like this, because I don't number my crystal drills. But yeah, as you can see, plenty left. So I was really happy about that. No trouble there. I'm just gonna keep it short, because why not? It is a short project. Like I said, I did 2 hours and 30 minutes. So yeah, that's gonna be post review of this little, I don't know, is it a wasp? Is it a bee? Do you guys know? Let me know. What do you think it is? Because it doesn't really have a stinger on the bottom. So I don't know. I call it bee, but I don't know if it's actually a bee. It's a bit thin to be a bee. Maybe it's more of a wasp, but I don't care. It turned out pretty, as long as I don't have to see it in real life, I guess. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!